In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a transaction in Xero, your trusted accounting platform. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to keep your bank accounts tidy and up to date within Xero. Proper reconciliation helps ensure your accounts accurately reflect your financial position, making it easier to manage your business or personal finances. Let's get started by heading over to your Xero dashboard. This is your main hub where all your accounting activities begin, a place you're likely familiar with if you're regularly managing accounts or transactions. Navigating from here is quite straightforward. You'll want to first direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Hover over the Accounting tab. A drop-down menu will appear guiding you to several options. From here, select Bank Accounts. This will prompt you to see a list of your linked accounts. Choose the relevant account that holds the transaction needing attention. After selecting your account, you'll be taken to a dashboard featuring several tabs. One of these tabs is labeled Account Transactions. Go ahead and click on this tab. This step brings up a detailed ledger of all transactions associated with the account you've selected. Now, scan through the list of transactions. You're looking for that one specific transaction that requires reconciliation. It might be a good idea to have some details of the transaction handy, such as the date, amount, or description, so you can easily spot it. Once you've pinpointed the desired transaction, direct your cursor to the action options related to that transaction. You'll spot a More drop-down menu typically near the transaction details. Click on More, which will reveal a list of additional options. Among those options, you'll find Mark as Reconciled. Select this option to initiate the reconciliation process. By marking a transaction as reconciled, you're essentially telling Xero that this transaction matches up with your bank statement. At this point, Xero gives you an opportunity to review your choice. Finally, and this is important for completing the task, you'll have to click Mark as Reconciled once more to confirm your action. Think of this step as a final seal of approval. Xero checks in to make sure you're ready, reinforcing that the transaction accurately reflects your bank statement. And there you have it. The transaction is reconciled, and the process is complete. It's always a good idea to review your reconciled transactions periodically to ensure everything aligns perfectly with your bank statements. By following these steps, you maintain the health and accuracy of your financial records, making everything just a little bit easier come tax time or when doing financial analysis. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, be sure to check out our next video for more tips on mastering your finances with Xero.